for a sunrise.
Cruise.
Cruise. Have a great day, all of you. I've been to Sukau Rainforest Lodge yesterday. I mean, amazing. You can see all nature in full exuberance. The wildlife here, the people here, and the experience as no way you can explain in words. Wow. This is one of the wonderful experiences that I had with nature. I've been here to celebrate my birthday, but I think what the nature has given me is something which is immeasurable. Most importantly, my guide Lee, he has been really good and has been helping me to capture a lot of moments. I wish that all of us will have an opportunity to visit this place sometime and you will really live the moment. So from here, my journey continues to Borneo, and I would be staying for a few days there. So let's see what kind of new experiences in store for me. And more importantly, the water, the nature, the wildlife, everything is unique. It's just that each one of us must experience. I love this.